Well, we have our all-county choir for both middle school and high school. The middle school kids go through an audition process to become a part of this.
Ready and okay, maybe whoever it is shouldn't put it on at all.
And the high school kids are generally chosen by their directors to become a part of this. The kids want to be here, they work hard, and it's almost easier than doing a regular class. A lot of our kids continue on with things like community theater, community choirs, their church choir, and those kinds of things.
Watch out for the ants.
It's really exciting. It's a really great opportunity to sing with people from other schools because you don't really get a chance to do that a lot.
There's so many exciting things happening. I want to fix a couple of small spots.
It's really cool to come here all having been given the same music, and we can all just sing it together.
Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Music is just like my life. I'm majoring in music in college, and it's kind of just everything to me. If I'm having a bad day, just listen to music.
Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Fly in the buttermilk, shoo, shoo, shoo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
You set it up. Most of us are getting, but it's about 80%. It's not 100%.
It actually really means a lot to me, honestly. I mean, it's just an awesome experience to be able to sing with so many people, and it's just great. It's something we love to do, and it might not be, something other people were really into, but it's something we honestly really like to do. We do a lot of music and music theory in school, and we come and we show off our skills here. And we have a director, a clinic, and he clinics us, and we just get better. It's just a lot of time and repeating the same song over and over again, and just doing good.
Gentlemen, when you have "I'll Find Another One Better Than You," which is on page 16.
It's a release for me. It's a way for me to have fun.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo.